How to make wireframe for your dragon. Hello, dear crafter. Thank you for coming back to my channel. In this short episode, I will show you how to make wireframe to put inside the dragon so he can stay upright and pose for the pictures. He will be able to hold his neck in any position. You will also be able to adjust his arms and legs. Let's begin. To make wireframe, you can use the same wire as mentioned in the pattern, or the pipe cleaners. To make the pipe cleaners longer, just attach the ends together by twisting them. The length of the wire should be approximately 17-20 lengths of the leg. To make the wire stronger, twist 2 or more pipe cleaners between each other like this. If you make the dragon the same size as in the pattern, then thickness of 1 pipe cleaner would be enough for the dragon to hold the shape. If you are making the dragon 3 times bigger, I recommend twisting at least 2 pipe cleaners between each other, or using the wire thicker than mentioned in the pattern if you are not using pipe cleaners. Make sure the pipe cleaners are twisted tight between each other so they can keep the shape better. When the wire is ready, fold it in half. Put one end of the wire close to the end of the dragon's tail. And form the wireframe like this. Wire should reach the tips of both legs and both arms. You should have some wire left for making the neck and to put inside the head, so do not cut off the end of the wire now. This is how the wire frame should look. Put the wire frame inside the dragon and add some stuffing around it. I recommend adding some weight inside the tail. For example, you can add a pebble. It will keep the dragon from falling forward when finished. Use a smaller size hook to help spread the stuffing inside the body and reach every corner. Insert the hook between the stitches and pull the stuffing to where it needs to be. Make sure stuffing is evenly spread inside the body and around the wireframe. Add more stuffing. Make sure arms and legs have enough stuffing. Use small hook to help spreading the stuffing everywhere. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, I will show you how to make the head for your dragon, and tell you a trick on how to see the stitches better when attaching the nose. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click that like button if you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Let me know in the comments below about your progress in crocheting your own dragon, and if you need more explanations on how to make other parts of the dragon. If you are learning how to make a wireframe for toys and want to make a dragon, you can find the link to the pattern in the description under this video. Click more or show more to open the description with the link. If you know someone who might want to make this project, please share the link to this video on your social media. It would encourage me to create more videos like this. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next episode of this How to Make series.